The pivot. All right, you can see different parts. What is up, guys, and welcome back to the Self-Cut System YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how I use the Self-Cut System and the best angles that I think that you should use as well. All right, so make sure that you have your Self-Cut System clippers. All right, this is the Lambo right here. The first angle that I use is the front angle, okay? This angle right here. You get to see anything in the front. You can do your eyebrows, you can do your beard, anything in the front. Now, if you want to see the right side of your head, you're going to turn to the left and you're going to turn this mirror, okay? Right here. If you want to see the left side of your head, you're going to turn to the right and then you're going to use this mirror to see the back. All right, so basically it's really simple, right? So if you want to do, there's a couple more advanced techniques that I have, right? So I'm gonna tell you exactly where to look in the mirror now to see certain parts. So if you actually turn your body, you're gonna see the front of your face. But once you move the mirror, you also want to adjust this mirror as well for positioning. You want to adjust both mirrors so you can get the correct positioning. That is what you will see when you're at this angle. You're gonna see this exact thing that you're seeing right here in this camera, okay? So when I turn, well, I'm seeing the angle that's moving, but when you move this, you'll see how that changes. You see that? You see how that does? It moves it in, moves it out. Very cool, very cool. You see? That's what you see in your right mirror, your left side. And you have to move this mirror so you can see different parts of your head. See how that works? All right, cool. Let's talk about different angles that I specifically use. So these are little advanced techniques that I have for myself. So what I do sometimes is I stand facing the left side, and to see the full back of my head, I would turn straight and I would use this camera to direct me, and then I'll be able to see the nudge right here, right? If you want to see the full back of your head, that's how I check it out. And then if you also want to see the other full side, then you would want to turn all the way to this side and then do the same thing. And you also want to adjust this camera in the back because it does change the angle significantly. All right, that's to see like the nudge and to see like all in the back here, and you'll be doing fades and whatnot. So boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. You can still see both sides, even if you're just using the left. You'll see the middle right there. Boom. All right, cool. So now I'm gonna show you guys how I look at the side of my head, right? So this is how I do it, right? To see the side of my head, I usually turn. So I'm facing the right hand side, looking into this mirror. I'm looking into the side of this so I can see all of this right here. That's how I see the side of my head. So maybe beginners might decide like they want to see the side of their head and they just turn like this, but you want to turn your body this way and you want to use this mirror to see the side right here. Same with here. Turn this way, you see the side of your head right around your bone, and you see the back. So you want to use this as your pivot point, just to make it clear, because I was telling you guys to see the back, you do this, but you also see the side. And that's how you use your clippers on the side of your head, okay? And yes. Another tip with the mirrors is that when you look inside of the mirror, you see the side. When you look this way, you see the front. So you can also use the mirror from the front angle this way and use it for the side. So it's like a dual purpose. When you stand to the side like this, you can actually see the inside and you could see the front at the same time. So when you look this way, you can see the front of your face and you can see the side. So you could work on the front and the side at the same time. And when you turn this way, boom, you can see the front and you can see the left side. And you can work on the front of your face and the left side of your head at the same time, or the left side of your beard at the same time. And you want to continuously move in and out depending on how much or how little you want to see. So the more you move in, you'll see more of a side angle, and the more that you move out, you'll see more of the back, okay? Sometimes I use the mirror facing forward, and the reason I do that is just because of comfortability. So sometimes I want to use this hand and cut like this, and I'll be able to see my hair from this. So I'm facing forward and I'm doing this. Sometimes that's more comfortable for me. And I just, because it directs it more to the back. You're more focusing on the back of your head when you're facing this way and using the mirror this way. This is more advanced. So if you're not good at cutting your hair as yet, I would suggest you learn to cut your hair first and then go to like techniques like this. Okay? So when you're looking at the mirror, to see your head, you have to look in the inside. And to see your face, you have to look on the outside. And that's for every part. The inside is the other mirror, the outside is your face. Oh, there's another technique that I use. Sometimes I hold the mirror and I cut at the same time when I'm holding the mirror. It's like a pivot point, basically, that I'm doing. I'm pivoting inside and outside, inside and outside. And I only do this because when you're cutting your hair, sometimes you're moving fast and you want to see different parts. So I use this pivot motion to kind of like direct the speed at which I'm cutting my hair. Let me show you on the other side. Do the same thing. Do the pivot. All right. You can see different parts when fading, when moving fast, and doing things of that nature. I hope this video easy. Make sure to get the Lambo clipper. But I hope this video was helpful for you, and maybe you learned something from this and you'll take a lot away from it. You know, you do have to get comfortable with mirrors and angles, but the best thing to do is to practice and do the motion before you actually cut your hair. Don't just cut your hair, add the motion, do the motion first, and then cut your hair. All right, guys. Anyways, it's your boy, The Bardist. You already know what it is. Make sure to go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel and give us a fat like and leave a comment in the comment section below. Also, make sure to go and check out our Instagram page. We just dropped another giveaway, so make sure to go ahead and enter in that giveaway. You already know what it is. Till next time, peace.